Data centers are the next big thing and hold the key to unlock many issues faced within the industry at the moment. According to JLL, India's data center industry provided crucial support and boost to the digital economy in the current pandemic. As per Ariston Advisory and Intelligence, India's data center market size will scale at a compound annual growth rate of over 4% between 2019 to 2025. The revenue expected to be yielded in the industry is a whopping $2 billion in the next 5 years. The numbers are huge and the ones which cannot be ignored. So today, Realty NXT sheds lights upon this huge phenomenon, presenting everything you need to know about the data centers. What is a data center? A data center is a cluster of network computer servers used by companies for the remote storage, processing, and distribution of data. India will have a compound annual growth rate of over 15% from 2019 to 2025 with the help of significant developments in the hyperscale data center co-location space. Maharashtra is a numero uno in the data center market with 60% worth of investments. Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are the other key states for investments. A CBRE study published on May 26 this year reveals that this year alone, Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune and NCR will have a supply rise of up to 40%. Out of the top 7 markets, Mumbai takes the top spot with 41% of data center capacity. Bengaluru is second at 17%. Delhi is third at 16%. As per the H1 2020 report by JLL India, 9.3 million square feet will be developed for the fast-growing data center by 2025. India's data center industry has acted as a catalyst to boost the country's digital economy in the time frame of H1 2020. With tremendous growth possibilities and a future-proof model, data centers are here to stay. If one wants to lead the market curve, embracing data centers is the way to go. Stay tuned for more updates, trends and insights by Realty NXT. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe Realty NXT.